When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Say all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times.
Summer, winter, autumn, spring, mountains, blue skies, and the seas, rainbows, sunshine, and the trees. Jesus, maker of them all. Everywhere I go, I see you right there. In the beauty of nature, you shine all around. For you are everything, and everything is you. Precious Jesus, a wonderful wonder you are. Oh, 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 a wonderful wonder you are. Jesus, maker of them all. Everywhere I go, I see you right there. In the beauty of nature, you shine all around. For you are everything.
So I'm back at work after like a week break. Yeah, I took a week break because my mom was on admission in the hospital. I tried to see how I could be coming here and still running to the hospital, preparing food and all of that, but the stress was just too much for me. So I just decided to take the entire week off. So I haven't been here in a week. Thankfully, I don't know if I mentioned in the previous vlog, I have a new tailor and I have an intern, Jumai, and it was not like a regular session. We're not admitting students for the rest of the year, so I just have like 2 students who didn't come at the regular time to attend to. So I was able to do that, and it felt so good, as it was like a huge stress left me. Imagine me just wondering, how am I going to cope? And it just occurred to me that you can actually take a break. Yeah, so that was what I did. Let me show you guys what I was working on before I took my break. So Jumai has been doing the beadwork. So I placed some purchase today, but let me show you. This place is so noisy. So Jumai helped with staying here alongside my new tailor. Sorry about the noise while I was away. And she did most of the, in fact she did most. She actually did the beadwork on the dresses for a bride. I'm expecting her to come for fitting soon. It's past the time, guys, yet we are not sure. So once we are done with the outfit, I'm going to put it on the dress form or mannequin so that I can show you guys the full picture, and so make some little videos for social media, adverts and all of that. Tomorrow I have a program. It was organized by Benin City Business. It's like a group of entrepreneurs, mostly young entrepreneurs within Benin City. I love communities like that, and one of the aspects of my life or aspect of business that I think I haven't been very good at so far is actually networking with like minds. And where else to find such people than to attend events like this? That was a major reason why I registered for it. It's actually a paid program. Yeah, so yeah, I did the registration like a month ago, thereabout. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'll bring you guys along. That's my major plan for tomorrow. The place is actually far from here, and I need to leave very early. I'll bring you guys along, okay? Don't worry. I think I am here now. Just need to find my way to the hall. It was a ride. I went to pass another gate. They don't allow cars to drive through. too. Thankfully, I was able to call someone. So let's go in, boys.
Hi, my name is Amanda, owner of Eclair.ng. I did decoration here today, by the way.
Hope you enjoyed the film.
Yeah, of course I did.
What was your biggest take home?
Well, that I need to have KPIs for people that work with me. I need to know how to brand better.
Nice meeting you.
Me?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Aso Cakes. Am I saying more? I bake. My cakes are mainly about, it's about the experiences and the taste. Yeah, majorly. Then I am a TV host. I am a host generally, and that's it.
That's cool. So what was your biggest take home?
My
From this program, what was your biggest take home?
Oh yes, my biggest take home was there's so many things on how my brand, how people perceive my brand, then the structures I need to put in place for my brand. Yes, the different structures and how I can relieve myself of stress. Then the law aspects important. Like now, nobody can talk to me anyhow.
Yes, so that's the spirit. Give me a high five. So. You have to take a picture. Hello. So can we meet you?
Yeah, I'm inspired.
Okay, what do you do?
Wedding photography, studio portraits.
So what was your biggest take home?
So many things, but one outstanding is the importance of having a purpose in your business and branding too. So the branding is how people see us, and the branding is the deliberate effort to put in to make this work. So working on our brand to make it something that satisfies the taste of others is nice. Then the importance of staff welfare too was deliberate.
Nice meeting you.
Oh, wow, thank
Inspired
you.
Media.
Thank you too.
What's your actual name?
Inspired.
So your name is Inspired.
Yeah.
Wow. So can we meet you?
Yes, you can. I'm Tega of Nias Luxury.
So what do you do?
I sell lingerie and underwear, sexy pieces that make you look so sensual and alluring.
So what was your biggest take home from this program?
Everything, honestly, it's changed a whole lot of things about how I see business, the perspective I have about long term, making my business scalable and sustainable. So a lot of things, everything was a game changer for me.
Nice meeting you, Tega. See, I have known Tega for a long time, but she doesn't know me. So she's like a celebrity that knows that many people know.
Oh my
goodness. So can I meet you?
Hello,
Hi.
I am Regina, or aka Edibles Cakes and Events actually.
So how was this program, Gina?
It was power packed. I learned so much. Most important, I learned how to pay myself actually. I learned the importance of paying myself as a small business.
Oh, God, that's great.
Yeah.
So I hope you have a wonderful day.
Yeah, thank you.
This is our president. Head of. Wonder of BCB. Hi. The program was amazing. I had fun. I enjoyed it. In fact, I've been looking forward to things like this. I will just have to try to attend. Maybe I'll come and see you soon in your place. I've never visited, which is bad. I've always been looking up. So I'll stop by one day.
All right.
So thanks for
so
the amazing
much.
job you're doing.
Bye. Thank you. Please send me this review.
Okay.
The next day.
We are suffering. We are suffering from poor power supply this period, so generators everywhere. So yesterday's program was so awesome. I had fun. I hope you enjoyed the clips I inserted. I made loads of people. Did I say loads? There was really no time to network like that anyways. But I ended up meeting a lady I have known for a while, but I have never talked to. Her name is Tega, and we drove home together. She happened to live nearby. So it was awesome, just discussing realities of motherhood, our challenges and all the good stuff. So yesterday when I was at the program, the courier service that the brand I'm partnering with contacted me that they brought a package for me, so we'll be unboxing it together. This is our box. It's from Style Beat. Yes, the brand I am partnering with is Style Beat, and so far I'm actually enjoying, being part of the fam. A hoodie, guys. See this. This is awesome. This is cute. Let me put it on and show you guys. I'll clean up my makeup. Ooh. Yes. Who's that girl? La 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 la. I love this. This is going to really serve well this Hamatan. Okay. So what else do we have in the package? We have a water bottle with Style Beat inscripted, and then we have another one, a Style Beat pen. We have a notepad with Style Beat written somewhere here. So lovely, huh? I keep notes a lot, like notes everywhere, so this is going to be really useful for me. There's a handwritten note in here. Let me read it for you guys. It says, "Dear Kemi, thank you for joining the Style Beat community leaders circle. The fashion industry in Africa is a $60 billion industry, but that is only 0.5% of what we can be. To realize our full potential, we need a new crop of leaders who take on the industry with better technological tools, superior know-how, and stronger networks. This is what Style Beat intends to develop, and you are not only a frontline participant, but a strong contributor to this, as you have shown industry leadership over time. Welcome on board. This is going to be a fun ride. Cheers." Oh, thank you so much, Style Beat, if you're watching this. I appreciate this, and I am glad to be part of the community. The way I'm excited about this, is it obvious, guys? I'm in, okay? I'm all in. One of the major reasons why this was really attractive to me is I have always been a friend of technology, and so when you're bringing technological solution to another part of me that excites me, which is fashion designing, when you combine tech with two things I love, basically, so it was a very attractive proposal, and I'm just sold on it, really, guys. I can't wait to see what we'll do together. I remembered I said I was going to show you guys the finished look of that lace dress, so here it is.